to show you a few tips to maintain your hearing aids while we're in this shelter in place. If you're anything like me, I cannot find my cleaning tool. And so I'm going to use some household cleaning tools that you would have. So the items I'm going to use today are, of course, your hearing aid. Hopefully you'll have a paper towel at home. A toothbrush. And a golf tee of all things. Now, after you wore the hearing aid for a day, it is going to be a little dirty, so you'll take it out of your ear. The first thing you're going to do is use your paper towel. The paper towel is great to clean the tip that goes into your ear. Use that paper towel and you just go into that tip and you just clean that. Now that we've gotten that clean, we're gonna go and use the golf tee. The golf tee is great to help you maintain that little portion right there where wax loves to build up. Your finger, squeeze the tip of that dome. And you're gonna use the tee to pluck off any earwax that has built up. The microphones on every hearing aid are a little different, but there are little ports on the back side of the hearing aid. Use a toothbrush to clean those microphone ports. The hearing aid downward. Next, you're going to open the battery door. You're going to take out your battery. This is going to be pretty gentle. Use that toothbrush to clean out those battery contacts. Of course, when you're done with it at night, you're going to leave that battery door open like this. And you're just going to set this in your case. That's what you need to do to maintain your hearing aid on a daily basis. We have remote assist available for you. If you have any problems, please call us and we can schedule a meeting over the phone. Hope you're having a wonderful, safe weekend. Thanks. Bye-bye.